It's 2026 and we're talking about the top 3 trends going on with windows and doors. First, bigger's better. Check out the pivot door, right? Pivot doors are all about the expanse, the impact of an entrance. If you think about a door that could go 5 foot wide by sometimes 10, 12 foot tall, what statement does that make for the front of a home? A pretty big one, right? So bigger is better. That's trend number 1. You don't have to have a brownstone in New York to have a window of this size. If you have a home that has a size and scale that will allow something like this, it creates a point of interest. It creates a point of design. We have folks come in that are looking for windows and doors, and the windows that they tend to look for and the doors that they tend to look for these days are big. It's all about the size of that window because it's all about adding that view to the inside of the house as well as that view to the outside, that picture frames the view of your yard. When you think about this type of a window, this type of a door, you think about how expansive it's going to feel, how grand it's going to feel. You also think about the light that it's going to bring room. Now, the light that that's going to bring into the room is substantial and it's beautiful, and it's going to be something that takes people's breath away when they walk in that place. Big windows and doors define a space. Number 2, gas strut windows. Everybody wants to have that cool bar counter where everyone kind of sits and hangs out. People pass things through the kitchen, and pass through windows along with that are a great way to marry that indoor and outdoor living. So take this window, for example. This is a push-out awning, and you'll see here, right? What if that window went all the way to 90 degrees and it just pushed out simply and easily with struts, just like you would imagine like a car trunk would have? That's called a strut window. Now, a strut window is a great option and can be a more cost-effective option than some of the folding windows that are out there, and it offers a clean, wide open view without interruption of stiles and rails like most other products do. A strut window is going to just open up and leave that wide expanse that if you have that bar area or you have that kitchen that you're looking to pass things through, it's a perfect solution for that. Up to number 3, it's all about color. Folks are still doing black, very popular black windows, but they're starting to move away from black, do something a little softer. We're seeing a lot of grays, browns, taupes, things kind of moving in modern design over to something a little softer, seeing different textures come into play or matte finishes. There's limitless potential if it's a reliable window and door company to the point of 50 different colors, 35 different colors, 40 different colors to choose from, a full fan deck of colors to choose from, or customize it, right? Most of these companies pick a Sherwin-Williams color, pick whatever, Benjamin Moore, whatever you need. They'll customize it and get you the exact color that you want for your project. But it's really fun to play with color, and we're seeing folks being much more open to color versus, and not that there's anything wrong with it, but hey, I want a white window or I want a black window. Like, we're seeing quite a bit of folks willing to kind of open up their eyes a bit and see what can be available and really understand how color really will change and dictate the entire look of a home. Something as simple as moving to like this, a French linen versus a white. That small, subtle difference just adds a richness to a home. And in 2026, we're seeing a lot more folks willing to say, you know what? I like something like the modern onyx, or really I'm thinking about doing the graphite with the matte texture, or the texture of a peppered steel. There's a lot of opportunity to really personalize it and make it your own. Bonus, number 4, personalization, making that product your own. So many people go in and they come into the showroom and they start out with, I don't know, the blueprint says this. I don't know, it says white. I don't know, it says this is what we should do. And by the time they leave, after they go through the visuals of everything, and we really talk about how they want to live, we really talk about what makes that house tick and what makes it theirs, it's all about personalization. So don't be afraid to personalize your windows and doors. That's your bonus there. If you need help with your windows and doors, if you want to personalize it and you want to make it that your house is the envy of the neighborhood, contact us, info@monmouthmillwork.com. Thanks for watching.